Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about two fragrances that are the same fragrance, just one is the original one and the other one is the intense version. And I am talking about the very popular YSL Leap. I prefer to say Libre, but I think the right way to say it is Leap. I originally purchased the original Libre probably about a year ago. I blind bought it before I even knew that blind buying was a thing. So I went ahead and put it in my order along with a few makeup items that I was ordering. And when it arrived, I did like it when I first smelled it. And when you smell it from the bottle, it smells, it smells different. It smells a little edgy to me, but chic at the same time. But I did start to notice that when I use this fragrance, it pulls super masculine on me. And it's probably the lavender because that happens to me with lavender scents. But I got very curious about the intense version, so I went ahead and I ordered that one from Sephora. And I got it in the same size as this one. I think these are both 1 fluid ounce bottles. Yeah, they're both 1 fluid ounce bottles, and I haven't worn this one too much. So I want to just go ahead and give my thoughts on what I think about both of them. And I'm going to start off with the original one. I'm gonna read the notes to you guys. They're very similar. I just feel like one of them has more vanilla than the other. But YSL Leap is a white floral, citrus, lavender, vanilla, aromatic, sweet, animalic, woody, fruity, and powdery. Those are the main accords for this perfume on Fragrantica's website. And the top notes are lavender, mandarin orange, blackcurrant, and petitgrain. Middle notes are lavender, orange blossom, and jasmine. And base notes are Madagascar vanilla, ambergris, musk, and cedar. I love the bottle. I just love everything about it, but I just feel like it's very screechy for me. And I wore this to my sister's wedding not too long ago, and I just feel like it did not go with the vibe. It just smells like a men's cologne on me. There is nothing wrong with that. There's colognes that my husband has that sometimes I kind of feel like I would like to put them on. There's one that he has that I have put on my skin and it smells beautiful. There's absolutely nothing wrong with wearing men's cologne, but the type of masculine scent that I get from this is just not, I don't feel sexy. I don't know, I just feel too masculine. It needed something to just make it a little bit more feminine. So this on my skin, it's just very cold. I know that a lot of people describe it as like a boss scent, like the woman who wears this is like very bossy, independent, and just like a strong woman. And yeah, you do get that vibe from this. Like I totally see like a very chic a woman just wearing like a leather jacket and red lipstick and just very classy and chic, very put together. That's what I see when I smell this, but it's just not what I want to smell like. So that's why I went ahead and I ordered the intense one, and it looks exactly the same. When you look up Libre Intense on Fragrantica, the main accords change. So you're getting vanilla first. So a lot of people are getting vanilla as the as the note, the top note. And then you have aromatic, sweet, white floral, amber, lavender, citrus, powdery, floral, and animalic. The top notes in this one are lavender, mandarin orange, and here they added bergamot to the opening. The middle notes are lavender, tunison, orange blossom, jasmine, sambac, and orchid. So it's a little bit different in the middle notes. And then the base notes are Madagascar vanilla, tonka bean, ambergris, and vetiver. I believe vetiver was not in the original one. And this one I prefer a million times over the original. I feel like you definitely get the vanilla in it, and it just makes it a little bit smoother and not so screechy. I feel like the original one is just very loud, very in your face, screechy. so much lavender. I pick up the lavender a lot, and I still pick up a lot of lavender in the Intense. It smells a million times better than the original one. So I am going to be keeping this one because I know that it just has to grow on me. But I still pick up a lot of lavender, and I think that lavender for me is one of those notes that I just can't have too much of. It's very strong perfume. I think both of them are very strong. I think I'm gonna go ahead and wear this one today, just to see how the wear. Yeah, I sprayed a lot. Just to see how it dries up, how how it goes throughout the day. That way while I'm editing, I can maybe put a little note towards the bottom. But I do get more vanilla in this one, and I feel like this one was just made beautifully, and it's just blended really nice. Yeah, I prefer this one. If you are someone who likes vanilla scents and you're a little bit sensitive with lavender, or you don't like loud perfumes, I would definitely pick up the Intense one instead of the original one. If you love lavender, if you love strong scents, if you love a scent that is just going to project, because I feel like that one does project, go with the original one. The original one to me is just, I can't do it. It's very cold. I don't know why the word, like, when I sniff it, I don't get warmth from it. And I do like to have warmth in my scents, or at least most of them, unless it's like a fresh fragrance. But that one I don't even consider fresh. I just feel like it's very loud and floral, kind of like, I don't get the vanilla in the original one. So yeah, I'm glad that I got this one. It's still a strong scent. It still makes a statement. It's still a very nice, like, evening scent. I would describe this one as a going out scent, a date night scent, not something that you're going to wear every day. I just put it on today and I'm going to be home, but it's just for testing purposes. But if I was going to wear this, I would probably wear it on a night out, especially in winter. I'm kind of sad that I'm living somewhere where there is no winter, because I would love to experience these fragrances in cold weather. I'm sure that they would be so much better. So you have to take that into account, that I am in a tropical place. So a perfume like this might be a little too intense. I would still rock it at nighttime, or if I know that I'm going to be somewhere where there's AC, a restaurant or something like that, then I would definitely put this on. The vanilla is beautiful in it, and I still do pick up the DNA of the original Libre. So yeah, I just feel like this is the better option. I was watching Opinionated Scents. I've been watching her channel so much. I am loving her channel, and I feel like we have a lot of similarities. But for the most part, the scents that she loves, I love, and the ones that she kind of doesn't like, I feel the same way. So I was very curious to see what she thought about the Intense and what she thought about the original, and we had the same exact opinion on these two perfumes. So definitely, I think that for me, the best pick is the Intense, and I'm just gonna leave you guys with that. I don't want to drag this review too long, and I am going to be selling this one on my Mercari, so that is why I wanted to make this video today. I feel like I cannot wear this fragrance. I just feel sensitive to it. It's very strong. So I'm gonna go ahead and find someone that's going to give this fragrance some love, and I'm going to be keeping the Intense. Yeah, it's so much better. That is my review on the YSL Leap in the original and the Intense. I hope that you guys found this video helpful. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. I would love it if you subscribed. I would love it if you commented down below what are your experiences with either of these or with both of these fragrances, and how you feel about them. That is going to be all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.